Hi, I just got in from the post office. I was mailing out the orders that came in over the weekend, and I just happened to find out that my Qemp came in. I'm pretty excited about this. I do live in Ohio, so CBD oil is legal here over the counter, and I am so excited since unboxing videos are all the rage. I thought I would go ahead and do one. You guys can watch me open my Qemp. So to start with, I just got one bottle for me, but I'm happy to share some samples to anyone who is around and wants to try it out. You want to see what it tastes like or anything? I'll be happy to share it with you. So we're going to take the plastic overwrap off. Oh, it's a display box too. Oh, that's pretty handy. That's great, actually. All right, and here it is, guys. I got Qemp. Now, I got the daytime formula. It's available in 4 different types of blends. There's a 15 milliliter daily use, a 30 milliliter, or 30 milligram, and a 15 milligram. Both of those are for daily use. Then there's the 25 milligram for the daytime, and that has a blend. Let me tell you what's in it before I mess that up. I know that it has hemp seed oil, of course. That's where most of where the CBDs come from. Is copaiba, turmeric, holy basil, lemon peel oil. That's for a little bit of taste. They put in just like tiny, minute amount, and mixed tocopherols. So that is the mixed tocopherols acts as the preservative there, as opposed to what else could be in there. I mean, there's a lot of options that you can use in a food grade product. So it has whole spectrum hemp, 46.1 milligrams. That's an extract off of the aerial parts. Aerial parts of the plant is everything that grows above ground. Cannabidiol is 25 milligrams. The cool part is there is a QR code right here. So if you guys want to look up more about it, you can. There's also a lot number on each individual bottle. Let me find it. Right there's your lot number, and right there's your manufacturer date. That lot number and that manufacturer date is what you can go on the Qemp website and double check all of the quality control stats so that you can find your exact levels in this batch, in this lot. Okay? And I'm super excited. We're going to open it up right now because I got this one because the extra ingredients are supposed to help with focus. So you get pain reduction and focus. Never mind my dog. He's a little whiny. He needs his CBD, which I do give him some. Actually, I give them both some. He's going to be 12 this year. So, all right. So here it is. We'll give it a little shake. Like I said, this is the daytime formula. That's the color. Now that's a little strong from what I would start with. So we'll go right about there. Tastes like CBD. So yeah, if this is something that you guys want to try, let me know. Alrighty, I'm pretty excited about this one.